What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Digital Slang. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking the Galaxy Note 10. This is the Aura White 256 gigs straight from Samsung. I was able to take advantage of the promotion. So we got the Galaxy Buds and a battery pack as well. Really good deal, really good price. If you have a trade-in, I would take advantage of it. Pick you up a new Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus. Guys, if this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and ring that bell for all the latest news and videos about tech and music. But let's talk the Note 10. We'll do an unboxing, check her out, and get our first look at the Aura White version. So the Note 10 Aura White, 256 gigs of storage, 8 gigs of RAM. This does not offer all of the high-end specs that the Note 10 Plus has, but I am looking forward to this phone. I have wanted a little smaller phone for a long time. I've been using the OnePlus 7 Pro. I've been using the XS Max, the Note 9 before that. So I'm looking forward to just a little smaller phone. I just want to try it out, see if I like it any better. So let's check her out, get into the box. I am really excited about this phone. It's been a long time and I'm really looking forward to it. I don't even care about what's in here. We got the SIM eject tool. So there she is. We got no side buttons on here, no headphone jack. They've finally done away with the headphone jack. Even on the S10 and the S10 Plus, the headphone jack was there, but it is now gone. They said they didn't have room for it because of the bigger display and the bigger battery and to make room for the S Pen, but I don't know. I think they could have kept it, but I'm a big fan of wireless buds and wireless AirPods, and they're giving these away as a special promotion, I guess, because of this. So we're gonna try these out in another video and see how it is. You got your SIM card tray. There is no micro SD on the regular Note 10. The Note 10 Plus does have the micro SD, so this is 256 gigs of storage, non-expandable, but you can tell that there's already fingerprints on here. It's gonna be a fingerprint magnet. Let's take the plastic off. That's probably my favorite part of every unboxing. Triple lens camera on the back. We got the 16 megapixel ultra wide on top, the 12 megapixel wide angle lens, and then the 12 megapixel telephoto. It's gonna take great pictures. We'll do a camera comparison against the OnePlus 7 Pro, the XS Max. We'll do a bunch, see how this holds up, see if this is any better than the S10 that was just released not too long ago. And we'll just check it out. The two buttons on the side, which are now the only buttons on the phone, you got your Bixby button and your power button together, and then your volume up and down rocker. You got your S Pen. I'm assuming it would be the same color as the phone. It is the white, so it matches. It's all color coordinated with the phones. Man, I'd be excited to see the red version of this with the red S Pen. That would be dope. Overall, it's a nice size. I love the size. Let's check another phone. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro. Look at the size difference in that. It's huge compared to the Note 10. So I'm excited to use this, throw my SIM in it, take a look, see how it feels. But right now, I think it's amazing. I think it looks great. Well done, Samsung. The white version. I know there's a big deal with the Aura Glow with that colorway, but I really like this white version. I'm really happy with it, and I'm glad that I picked this color. Let's see if she got some juice. We'll power it on. We'll take a look at the screen. We'll take a look at the cutout. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set this up and I'll be right back. So this is the Note 10 Aura White version, triple lens camera on the back, 6.3-inch display. It is 1080p. We're not getting the Quad HD like the Note 10 Plus. 250 gigs of storage, 8 gigs of RAM. This comes standard on the Note 10. 256 gigs of storage has always been enough for me, and 8 gigs of RAM should be more than enough to do what I do. I'm not a big gamer, so RAM management is not going to be a huge thing for me. 3500 milliamp battery. The Note 10 Plus does have a 4300 milliamp battery, so I am a little worried about the battery life on here, but we'll check it out. Triple lens camera on the back. We got the 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, the 12 megapixel wide angle, and the 12 megapixel telephoto. You got the 10 megapixel front-facing selfie camera on the front in the cutout. The cutout is now here in the middle instead of over on the side like the S10 and the S10 Plus. Stereo speakers running Android 9 with the One UI. IP68 water resistant, so don't worry about it taking it on the rain. If you get it wet, if you splash water on it, it should be fine. It does have a bunch of other gimmicks that you can play with on the phone if you like that. The buttons now on the side, the power button and the Bixby button are one and the same. This is your volume rocker here. I believe you can go in and you can remap or disable Bixby. So we're going to take a look at that once we get into the phone a little more. Again, I will throw my SIM in here, and we will be doing a full review in about 2 or 3 weeks once I use it for a little while. It does have the in-display fingerprint sensor, so I'm excited to test that out, see how it goes up against the OnePlus 7 Pro and the fingerprint sensor that's on there. So we'll take a look at all of the specs, the internals, and the performance over the next few weeks, and we will go from there. So the Note 10 or white, guys, it's a great looking phone. It feels great in the hand. Again, size comparison, this is an 8 Plus, so it's similar to the 8 Plus. The 8 Plus is a little taller and a little wider, so I'm excited that this phone is actually a little smaller. It's a light phone, it's slim. I'm going to throw a case on it because it's just too pretty to mess up. So Note 10, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think of the white color compared to the other colors. I love it. I think it looks fantastic. So Note 10 or a white, first look, full review coming. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We'll be back soon with another video. Hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back. Enjoy your night. Peace.